Right now, industrial controls electricians and other specialized blue-collar workers with no degree and no student loans are pulling in over $150,000 a year.
What?
In careers that most people have never even heard of. And that number isn't the ceiling, it's where these jobs are headed in 2027. I've spent over 30 years in the skilled trades industry, union carpenter, project manager, and UAW inspector, and the money moving into certain trades right now is unlike anything I've seen in 3 decades. Between the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, the CHIPS and Science Act funding semiconductor plants, the AI data center boom, and half the workforce retiring, the guys who position themselves in the right careers are going to clean up. And the guys who don't, they're going to watch it happen from the sidelines. Why are they exploding right now? And how to position yourself before everybody else figures it out. Number 6 is the one no one's talking about. Before the list, you need to understand why these careers are about to pay what they're about to pay. 3 forces are colliding right now. Force 1, massive government spending. The Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act is pumping over $1 trillion into construction right now. The CHIPS and Science Act is investing another $280 billion in domestic semiconductor manufacturing. That money is already flowing. Force number 2, the tech boom needs blue-collar hands. Amazon Web Services, Google, Microsoft, Meta, all racing to build data centers and semiconductor plants. These aren't tech jobs, these are blue-collar jobs inside the tech economy, and they pay big. Force number 3, the retirement tsunami. Half the workforce is retiring in the next 5 years. When supply drops and demand explodes, wages go through the roof. And this matters to you because the guys who position themselves where all 3 forces collide are the ones hitting $150,000 a year plus. Not the guys who pick a trade at random, the guys who see where the money is moving and get there first. That's the whole thing. This is a positioning game, and the window is open right now. So let's get into the 6 careers, starting with the one that's been quietly minting 6-figure earners while nobody was paying attention. Number 1, pipeline welding. I've got to be straight with you. Most feast or famine career on the list is this. You're living out of the camper, away from home for months. When work dries up, it dries up. But when there's work, $100,000 to $150,000 during a pipeline boom, some guys hit $200K in a big year. With all that liquefied natural gas infrastructure and the LNG export terminals going up along the Gulf Coast, pipeline welders are in massive demand. Not for everybody, but if you're young, mobile, and willing to chase the work, the earning potential here is unmatched. Now here's where it gets interesting. Number 2, elevator electrician. The sleeper no one's even talking about. These guys install and maintain the electrical side of elevator systems, controlled by the IUEC, one of the strongest unions in the country. Yeah, they're a little hard to get in, but once you're in, you're talking about $70,000 to $120,000 base. The top earners in New York, Chicago, and San Francisco, they're pushing well past that number. And there's only 35,000 elevator mechanics in the entire country. Every new high-rise, hospital, and parking garage needs elevators. That kind of scarcity pushes wages through the roof. You ever wonder why some blue-collar workers make $60,000 a year and others make $150,000 in the same industry? It's called specialization, scarcity, and positioning yourself where demand is screaming and supply is whispering. Number 3, data center cooling technician. Every time you ask ChatGPT a question or scroll Netflix, that's running on servers producing insane heat. If those servers overheat, the internet basically stops. Current salaries run $55,000 to $100,000 a year to start, but the AI boom is causing data center construction to absolutely explode. Companies like Equinox, Digital Ready, and AWS can't find enough cooling techs, and they're throwing in stock options, signing bonuses, and relocation packages. These guys who get into data center cooling in the next 2 years are going to name their price by 2027. That's not hype, that's just math. Pipeline welding for the road warriors, elevator electricians for the scarcity play, data center cooling for the AI meets trades future. All 3 hitting $150K a year, and we're only halfway through. The next 3 have the clearest path from apprentice to 6 figures to business owners, and that's where the real money lives. Now guys, if you're watching this thinking, okay JV, how do I actually get started though? That's why I work with Course Careers. They help people break into high-paying careers in HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project management, estimating, architectural drafting, tech sales, IT, and digital marketing, just to name a few. No degree needed, no debt. They've got an AI career counselor called Cora to help you find what fits you best. They have free intro courses on every program, so you can try it before you spend a dime. My link is in the description and it saves you $50 off if you decide to go with the full program. So go check it out. You'll love it. Number 4, chiller technician. Most people have never even heard of this. Chillers are $1,000,000 machines that cool entire hospitals, data centers, and university campuses. 5 to 7 years of HVAC experience before you can even start training on them. And the top earners, they're pulling $80,000 to $110,000 base. With on-call and overtime, total compensation pushes $130,000 to $150,000 a year in most major metros. And here's the business angle. I know a guy who started a company exclusively serving commercial chillers. 3 trucks clearing $250,000 because nobody else in this market specializes in it. That's the thing about blue-collar careers. The paycheck is just the floor. The business is the ceiling. Number 5, electrical project manager. Highest paid non-owner role in the electrical trade. These guys manage $1,000,000 projects from an office, $85,000 to $130K, with top earners pushing well above. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics projections, demand for construction managers is growing faster than average. The path is real. Apprentice, journeyman certification, foreman, PM, and by the time you're a PM, you've got 10 plus years of field knowledge that no college grad can compete with. If you're a journeyman electrician with IBEW training right now, making $70K, and you think that's your ceiling, it's not. The ceiling is the PM. The ceiling is $150K plus. You get there by adding estimation, communication, documentation, and project management skills. Number 6, and this is the one no one's talking about. Industrial controls electricians. PLCs like Allen Bradley and Siemens systems, variable frequency drives, SCADA systems for industrial automation, instrumentation. If it controls a machine or a process, these guys built it, wired it, or kept it running. The current salaries are $75,000 to $120,000 base, but with fewer than 50,000 industrial control electricians nationwide, here's what's about to blow this wide open. The semiconductor plants, TSMC in Arizona, Intel in Ohio, Samsung in Texas, some of the most complex buildings ever constructed, every single one runs on SCADA systems and programmable logic controls as well. Demand is about to go through the roof. We're talking $130,000 to $150K and beyond with tech company benefits. And that's the whole thing. The semiconductor boom, the AI boom, the data center boom, all of it runs on industrial controls. And there aren't enough people who know how to do it, not even close. 6 careers: pipeline welding, elevator electrician, data center cooling, chiller technician, electrical project manager, industrial controls electrician. Every single one sits where the 3 forces collide, and every single one has a clear path to $150,000 or more by 2027, and some are already there. Information without action is just entertainment, and I don't make entertainment, I make roadmaps. Hey guys, it's JV. Let me pause the video real quick. If you want a faster way into real careers that pay, check out Course Careers. They train people for in-demand jobs in tech, business, and all sorts of construction trades without wasting years in college. They're rated almost 5 stars with thousands of real reviews you can check out. You earn a certificate of completion and they help you prepare for real job placement. And if you use my link, you get $50 off instantly. So if you're serious about changing your income path, the link is below. If this video just opened your eyes to careers you didn't know existed, hit that like button for me, guys. It helps more blue-collar workers find this before these windows close. Because the blue-collar workers hitting $150K by 2027 aren't the ones working the hardest. They're the ones positioned the smartest. 3 forces colliding, 6 careers at the intersection, all accessible without a college degree. But knowing which careers pay the most doesn't help you if you don't know how to actually break in. The path exists, but you need to know a step-by-step plan. If you want to see exactly how people are breaking into high-paying blue-collar careers right now, I've got a couple videos at the end of this one that you're gonna love. I'll put them there, so go check them out next. Subscribe if you're not already. Every week, real careers, real money, and real strategies for blue-collar workers. And drop me a comment. Which career surprised you the most, and which one are you going after? I'm JV Charles. Thanks for checking out the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.